If you have knee arthritis or you're getting ready to have a knee replacement, hear me out on this because the information in this book can make all the difference in how fast you recover. And if we haven't met before, I'm Tim Fraticelli, physical therapist and author of the book Total Knee Replacement Made Simple. Now, the biggest challenge for people here after a knee replacement is that they want to get back to doing what they love as soon as possible, but first they have to recover their muscle strength, their range of motion, all while working through pain and poor balance. Now, this is the difference maker. Research shows that performing a preoperative exercise routine before a knee replacement that can improve your strength and your function both in and out of the hospital. But how do you know which exercises are safe and effective to do before surgery and even after you've been discharged from physical therapy? That's exactly why I put together a 6-week prehab exercise guide and an 18-week post-operative workout plan specifically designed for people who have knee arthritis and those who want a speedy recovery after a total knee replacement. Not only will you get all of the exercise guides in this book, but you'll get insights into what you can expect during your knee replacement journey, all explained simply within 100 pages. This is your chance to make the most of your recovery, and I want to do everything I can to help you succeed. So in addition to the book, you'll find videos and other resources that you can access at totalkneebook.com. You can do this, I'm here to help, and I hope you enjoy the book.